Welcome to AWeber, your gateway to effortless and effective email marketing. We make email marketing easy and fun. Are you tired of struggling with email campaigns that don't get the results you want? Do you wish you had a tool that simplifies the process? AWeber is the solution you've been looking for. We offer a suite of tools to help you grow, connect, and monetize your audience through email. Here's what sets AWeber apart. 1. Emails that design themselves. Say goodbye to hours of email design. AWeber's templates are practically magic, making email creation a breeze. 2. Custom sign-up forms and landing pages. Grow your email list faster with easy-to-use forms and pages. 3. Automation. Put your emails on autopilot with welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, and more. 4. Dynamic content. Send emails tailored to each subscriber, increasing engagement. 5. AI email writer and Canva integration. Turn writer's block into great emails with AI email writer. Design with Canva, the #1 online graphic design tool, built right into your AWeber account. 6. Industry-leading deliverability. Get your emails to the inbox, not the spam folder. With AWeber, you'll experience increased open rates and clicks, tailored subscriber experiences, a user-friendly, intuitive interface, time and money savings, exceptional deliverability. And here's the exciting part, new users can kickstart their email marketing journey with a free trial, supporting up to 500 subscribers. Join thousands of businesses that have made AWeber their secret to email marketing success. Sign up now for your free trial and experience the difference. Make writing, designing, and automating your emails a breeze. Say goodbye to the stress of email marketing and hello to success with AWeber. AWeber, your partner in creating lasting email relationships and boosting your business.